In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download mods from the Steam Workshop. If you've ever played a game and thought, hey, this could be even better with a few tweaks, mods are your gateway to endless customization and fun. Mods can enhance your gaming experience by adding new content, improving graphics, or even introducing entirely new gameplay mechanics. So let's dive right in. First, let's open up your Steam application. If you don't have Steam installed yet, you'll need to do that first, as mods from the Steam Workshop require it. Once Steam is launched, you'll want to click on the login button. This button is usually located in the upper right hand corner of the application, and if you've never logged in before, it's where you'll enter your account credentials. With your Steam account details at the ready, type in your account name and password. It's important to ensure your details are accurate to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, simply click on the sign in button to enter your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, don't forget to enter that code as well to ensure a secure login. Now that you're on your Steam homepage, look towards the top of the screen and click on the Community tab. This is the section where you'll find the workshop. Once you click on Community, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll want to click on Workshop. The workshop is a treasure trove of user-created mods, filled with fascinating content waiting to enhance your favorite games. In the workshop, you'll see a variety of games that support mods. If you have a specific game in mind, go ahead and type its name into the search tab or select it from the list of games available. Once you've selected your game, take your time to scroll through the available mods and see what catches your eye. There are usually plenty of options, so feel free to browse and read descriptions to make sure a mod fits what you're looking for. Once you've found a mod that piques your interest, click on it to open its details page. On this page, you should see a button labelled Subscribe. By clicking Subscribe, you're telling Steam to download and add that mod to your game automatically. It's as simple as that. You can find your subscribed mods in your game library under the game's properties. Be aware that using mods might require you to disable certain features like Easy Anti-Cheat to work correctly. So make sure to boot up your game with anti-cheat disabled if necessary. Remember, some mods come with specific instructions or additional steps depending on what the mod creator has implemented, so always read any extra instructions provided. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded a mod from the Steam Workshop. Enjoy the enhanced gameplay and check back often, as the workshop is regularly updated with new content. Happy modding!